So, namaste. We are about to complete 30 days. So, almost all we are is 25 days. You remember the starting I told your 24 hours. I will take some amount of your time from you for you. So, 1 hour 05 minutes total the exercise we have done. 1 hour 05 minutes I am taking from you for you, and you will be walking, right? And this is always said, your morning speaks the day. Morning speaks the day. This is always. Now, before I start the routine, this happens in every generation. Do you know the people get success? Most of the 80% people get success after the age of 60. You know why? One psychology in every generation, when you speak to the young people, they feel they are doing right. When they reach 60 with the experience, with the failure, again they catch up what they want to go for the life. This happens with me, this happens with my parents, this happens with my children, everywhere. If we understand, the before time we understand, and we go for the routines, go for the discipline. Now, most of the young people, they uh, wake up in night and sleep in the morning. The most of the successful, they start in the morning and make routine very disciplined with the time, and wake up in time and sleep in time. The routine, whatever the routine is there, they do very honestly with discipline. Discipline is the key for success. Remember, your morning speaks day. Discipline is okay. Discipline is only the key point. Self discipline. If discipline is not there, wherever, in workplace, in education, in family, you may go ahead, but you may not succeed. So discipline is the key. We need to remember, whatever routine, whatever things you are making yourself, whatever you are deciding for yourself, you should be strict. The next I say, if you don't give respect to your own commitment which you made for yourself, how you expect the universe to respect you, and how you expect the others to respect you? So that is the first point. When you commit yourself for the life, then you should be more strict and more disciplined to your own commitment. When you start giving respect to yourself, the universe will start giving you respect. When you start loving yourself, the universe start loving. So that 1 hour 5 minutes which I am going to take, 4:50 to 5 a.m. morning, is a mirror exercise. I'll let you know practically. Mirror exercise. Then 5 a.m. to 5:10 exercise, morning walk, whatever you are doing, do it. 5:10 to 5:20, read good books, inspiring books. This is a food for mind. 5:20 to 5:30, write the story. It should be like story. You should feel interesting what you are going to do today morning, means today whole day you are what you are going to planning to do. 5:30 to 5:40 goal setting. This also I'll let you know tomorrow, one by one. And night before sleep, 10 minutes. You need to review your goals. That is more important. And giving thanks to the universe. You need to review your goal. Right? Okay. Now when you wake up in the morning, I'll let you know your mirror exercise. Okay. Bring the camera. Go in front of mirror. Look at yourself. Now what is this? This is, I already told, you and the universe. The person is in the mirror should look confident, should look happy, should create the whatever you are finding. The person is standing in the mirror is the reflection of you, who you are. Now, morning when you get up, go in front of mirror, look at your eyes, because your energy goes through the eyes to your inside. Look at your eyes, smile, and say, suppose I am Dilip, not much loud, little loud. Good morning, Dilip. How are you, Dilip? Love you, Dilip. Love you, Dilip. Love you, Dilip. So when I say love you, Dilip, the whole world knows me in the name of Dilip. And when I speak by looking at these eyes, this person is speaking to that person, and that person is speaking to me. And when you smile and speak, okay, love you, you have started loving yourself. You have started loving the person who is inside this and who is there. Now say, today is going to be the great day. 3 times. Today is going to be the great day. Today is going to be the great day. Look at your eyes and speak. Then second, whatever today I am doing is becoming productivity for me. Whatever you want to get success, whatever you're doing, whatever I am doing today, it is productivity today, or it is giving good result today. Whatever you feel and whatever you are planning for the day. 3 affirmations. Today is the great day. I love you, Dilip. Today is the great day, or today is going to be the great day. And whatever I am doing is going to be productive. And what third is of your choice, what you are going to do. 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 things. Speak and come out of all these routines, what you are planning. You'll feel why I told a lot of people when you say mirror exercise, they don't understand. So when you start doing, you'll find after 7-8 days, this is practical, I have done it and I'm doing it. When I'm finding any difficulties for my tasks, I'm doing that. So when you speak this person, the universe, when you stand in front of a person, universe looks, is this person is happy, is this person is confident, is this person is loving himself. So this all, when you stand there and speak to yourself, you get vibrate yourself, and you will find I have seen result starting from 7 days. When you start speaking this, and whatever day you want, you speak this very confidently, you'll find a very good result, and your result, you'll see the surrounding, you see the environment is becoming what you have asked for that. At the most, after 21 days, you will start getting the result. This is a proven method, and this is, even I have done it. This is happening. My getting success is different. I am success, I say. It's my way of getting success. Success is different language, different people, different definitions are there for success. For me, it's success. I'm happy, healthy, and wealthy. Wealthy means whatever money is there is working for me, and I could able to help someone when it is needed. Right? So this is what, and tomorrow I'm going to tell all these routines little. I'll explain. The first mirror exercise I wanted to tell, because you should start immediately this mirror exercise. Morning when you get up, again I repeat, when you get up, wash your face, go in front of mirror, look at the mirror, get smile, give a smile, whatever the condition may be. Give a smile, look at your eyes, the person inside the mirror. Look at the eyes, speak. Yes, say your name, because the whole world knows the name. Your name is having energy, and your name is bringing the manifestation things to you. The world knows your name. Suppose my name is Dilkwar Mishra, but world knows me in different DK. Suppose. So you ask DK. So you speak your name, love you, and give little tapping to your shoulder. That is means you are making the person inside this to wake up and see this how you are loving that. Dilip, I love you. When you see, I love you, Dilip. When it is happened, you started loving yourself. When you are confident, today is the great day. It's going to be the great day. Surely this is going to be great day. All the situation will happen. Your day is going to be great day. One day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, seventh day, it will start giving you result. And after 21 days, you will find you are in different environment and different people where you are leading towards success. That's the first thing you need to do in the morning. Thank you.